showroom is Fiona Hewitt!
Hi, how you going? So we're here today because Justin came and did the measurements at home, and I've just picked some tiles and the vanity, and we're just looking at tapware and other bits and pieces.
Excited?
Oh, very. Lost for words, actually.
And this one gives a lot of room internally as well. Plus you've got no overflow too.
Okay.
Worth jumping in and having a try.
Oh,
if you
God.
like, especially for the camera.
If I can't get out, it's your fault.
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
Oh, there you go.
Glass of wine.
Watch a movie.
On day one, site supervisor will come at 8 o'clock in the morning with the demolition boys. Yeah. Introduce himself. It'll be either Jim or Steve, okay, whoever gets allocated to your job, and they will be your contact person for on-site.
So really excited and can't wait to get started and see what the finished product looks like. It's crazy. Yeah, can't wait.
Hi Fiona, how you going? I'm Steve.
How are you?
Supervisor. How are you?
Yeah,
how you going? Congratulations for starting.
Thank you.
So I'll leave that there for Dylan. I'm going to do a checklist on our online app just to make sure we don't miss anything. Everything's covered. So day one, the products arrive. As you can see, we've got the products being delivered here. We've got our demo guys that arrive at 8 a.m. I arrive on site as well. We just make sure that everything's okay with the site. The guys put down all the protection on the floor. They look after the site as if it's their own home. And then they start getting into the demolition. From there, then we go through the job with the client, make sure that they're happy with what's going to take place, go through the floor plan, make sure everything's okay, and then we get stuck into the job.
So everyone sort of has their own way of doing it. I just prefer taking a path of least resistance. So if it's quicker to hit it with a hammer, I'll do that. And if I can't, well, I'll take it apart.
So for those that don't know, what part of the process is this?
This is screeding.
Yeah.
So yeah, usually we would screed the whole room, but because this one's relatively flat and it's got some fall towards the drains, which is what you want at the end of the day. We don't have to, it's pretty flat as I said, so we don't have to screed the whole room, we just screed the showers. It's got a big set down, allowing enough depth to the walk-in.
So we had the tiler come in and make sure that all the falls to the drains were adequate and they're to standard. After that is the waterproofing. Waterproofing gets done and we make sure that's all again to standard. We start tiling the floor and then the walls. It's obviously probably about a week, and then we do the grouting. After that, again, it really looks like a bathroom. So when it comes time for the second fix for all the plumbing, we install obviously the bath. We've got the nice beautiful vanity that we put in. The toilet goes in, and again, all the shower rail and all that goes in the shower. It all starts to take shape from that point. It looks really good.
Yeah, so the bath was across here, and the toilet was there.
We're super excited to have given it to Fiona because we think she's an absolute champion, and my entire team has absolutely loved working with Fiona. She's probably one of the nicest people we've ever met. We want to thank Cosi, his team, my staff, right from the grand opening of the new store through to all of the people that entered our competition, and right up to the reveal with Fiona, which you guys are about to see now.
amazing and it looks so good. I'm so impressed with how everything's come together and still can't believe it.
Having seen the final product inside with the reveal, I could not be more happier with my team, the products, the suppliers, the way that everybody has pulled together to support our business at Bathrooms by Design and really produce something that is show-stopping for Fiona. So thank you so much.
Everyone's been really great to work with from start to finish, from the girls in the showroom and being able to pick everything to Steve organising all the guys coming in and everyone being in our space. It's been amazing, just easy, and wouldn't even know they were you half the time. So, and Justin with his design, it's fantastic. Thank you. Luke and Heath, oh my God, I can't even believe it. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it, and you've changed our little piece of, yeah, apps. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.